Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sliding door locks that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Sturge Sliding Door Lock 2-Pack. This product is designed with child safety in mind, making it a great option for families with young children or pets. It features a 2025 upgraded security mechanism that's specifically engineered to prevent kids from unlocking it easily. The dual-sided button design adds an extra layer of security, requiring both hands to operate. The build quality is impressive for its price point. With high-quality ABS plastic and a strong 3M adhesive backing that ensures a secure fit, the lock is easy to install. Just clean the surface, peel the adhesive, and stick it in place. However, do note that it requires a door clearance of at least 0.46 inches to be effective. While it's not the most versatile option on this list, it performs well for sliding glass doors, windows, and closets. On the downside, the Sturge lock lacks the durability of metal options and may not stand up to determined tampering. However, if your primary concern is childproofing and ease of installation, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for renters and homeowners who don't want to drill into their doors or frames. At number 4, we have the ZRFCXE Sliding Door Lock 2-Pack. This lock is specifically designed as a child-proof safety device for sliding doors and windows. It helps prevent accidents by limiting the opening range of your doors or windows, making it an excellent choice for homes with curious toddlers or pets. The lock features a cushioning and silent mechanism that ensures smooth operation without any noise. The ZRFCXE lock is made from durable ABS plastic and stainless steel springs, which provide a sturdy and reliable build. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any tools. Simply clean the surface, peel off the adhesive backing, and stick the lock in place. However, you'll need a door clearance of at least 0.46 inches for the lock to fit properly. Once installed, it provides a secure hold, though you'll need to wait 24 hours after installation for the adhesive to fully cure. While the ZRFCXE lock is user-friendly and effective, it's not as robust as some of the other options on this list. It's ideal for families looking for a quick and easy solution to child-proof their sliding doors and windows. But it may not offer the same level of security against forced entry. Coming in at number 3, we have the Ace Mining Sliding Door Security Bar. This heavy-duty option is perfect for those who want maximum security. Made from high-strength steel, the Ace Mining Bar can withstand up to 300 pounds of force, making it an excellent choice for preventing forced entry. It's versatile too. It can be used as a patio door lock, a window security bar, or even a stopper for sliding doors. One of the standout features of this product is its adjustable length, which ranges from 20.5 to 50 inches. This makes it suitable for a variety of door and window sizes. The setup is simple and requires no tools. Just adjust the length and place it horizontally in the lower track of your sliding door or window. The rubber tip at the end ensures a strong grip without damaging your surfaces. While this product is highly effective for home security, it may not be the most convenient for frequent use, as you'll have to manually remove and reposition the bar each time you want to open the door. However, if your priority is durable, heavy-duty protection, the Ace Mining Security Bar is a fantastic option. At number 2, we have the Burglar Bar Sliding Door Locks 2-Pack. This product is a fantastic balance of simplicity, affordability, and effectiveness. It's designed to be a secondary security measure for sliding glass doors and windows and is completely tool-free to install. The crystal-clear Lexan material blends seamlessly with your existing decor, making it a discreet yet effective lock. The Burglar Bar lock is particularly useful for renters or anyone who doesn't want to drill into their doors or frames. Its compact size and adhesive backing make it easy to install and remove without causing damage. However, it requires a clearance of at least 3/8 inches between the sliding door frame and the glass of the fixed door, so be sure to measure before purchasing. While it provides a basic level of security, this lock is best suited for preventing child access or providing an additional layer of protection rather than as a primary security measure. It's easy to use and works great for its intended purpose, but it may not stand up to heavy force. Finally, at number 1, we have the Primeline U9847 Patio Sliding Door Loop Lock. This lock is the most versatile and durable option on the list, offering exceptional security and reliability at an unbeatable price of just $6.93. The hardened steel locking bar and die-cast base make it a robust choice for securing your patio doors, and the chrome-plated finish adds a touch of elegance. Installation is straightforward, and all necessary fasteners are included in the package. Once installed, this lock serves as an excellent secondary security device, making it much harder for intruders to force entry. It can also be mounted out of reach of children, providing an additional layer of child safety. The Primeline lock delivers excellent value for its price, offering a balance of durability, ease of installation, and functionality. Its only drawback is that it requires drilling, which may not be ideal for renters. However, if you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective solution to enhance your home security, this is the best option on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.